Yellow alert for rain, thunderstorms issued as another western disturbance to hit Himachal from April 2. The inclement weather conditions are likely to persist in Himachal Pradesh even on Friday, as the meteorological department has issued a yellow alert for rain, thunderstorms, and lightning. According to the meteorological department, rain, thunderstorms, and lightning are likely to be experienced in parts of Himachal till April 3, with April 1 being the only exception when normal weather has been predicted. The weatherman said a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from the night of April 2.